Men having 10 hours at his disposal made an incursion. So he writing out the rate for an hour. Okay, wait. Writing out at the rate of 10 miles an hour and then returning on foot at the rate of 3 miles an hour. So let's say this is where he is. He goes this way on a bicycle, I think, at 10 miles an hour. And then he stops, takes a little break, and then he comes back, right? But this time he's on foot. So this is the riding part. And on foot, obviously, he's going to be a little bit slower, and he goes at 3 miles an hour back to the base at 3 miles an hour. Okay, find the distance that he rode. Okay, let's set up the table. Let's call this riding, and let's call this on foot. Right, something wrong with my pen. It's not responding. Okay, so 10 miles an hour. On foot, he's 3 miles an hour. The time, it's interesting here that he did this on time. Well, the time, we don't know how much time he spent riding and then how much time he spent on foot. But we know that the total time was 10 hours. So let's say that on foot he spent t hours, which means that riding would be the 10 and minus t, whatever time spent on foot, we have to subtract it by 10, and that leaves us with our riding time. The distance right now, we can multiply. In this case, let's do the easy one. 3 times 3 times t is 3t. 10 times 10 is 100. 10 minus t is negative 10t. I know that the distance covered here have to be equal to each other, right? So the distance that he rolled and then the distance that he came back walking is the same distance. So I can set up my equation. Okay, something's wrong with my... Oh my god, sorry. 100t minus 10t equals 3t. That's my equation, because the distance he spent on the bike and the distance he spent walking, they're equal to each other. One is one way, the other one is the return way. Let's get rid of the small guy. Plus 10t. Plus 10t. Sorry, my pen's not responding too well. That goes away. 100 equals 13t. And I get that t equals, divide both sides by 13. T equals just that, 100 over 13. Now you can change this to a improper fraction. Let's see how many times I can do this. 100. 100 divided by 13 is 7. So 13 times 7 equals 91. So that would be 7 and 9 over 13. So this is the time that he spent walking. So I'm going to write 7 and 9 over 13. And then the time that he spent on the bike is just the difference, right? 10 minus 7, 9 over 13, which is just going to give us 2 and 4 over 13. I hope that's correct. Oh, we want to find the distance that he rode, okay? So he spent 2 hours and 4/13 on the bike, so we have to go, I'll do it over here. Actually, it doesn't matter where I substitute. I can substitute here or here because both distances are the same. So I'm actually going to take the shortcut and I'm going to go here. So 3 times t, 3 times 7 over 9 over 3 times 7 over 9 over 13, which is, you know what, as far as multiplication goes, I'm going to use the improper fraction version. 3 times 100 is 300 over 13. So the distance is this, and I'm not going to change it. And what is this, miles? Yeah, miles. So this is the distance. My pen is not working, guys. This is the distance that he spent either walking or riding. 3 over 13 miles, and which you can change from the improper fraction, sorry, a mixed number if you want to. Okay. Yeah, that's it.